Question 1. According to the CompTIA's best practice procedures for malware removal, user education should be the final step of the malware removal process. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 2. Which of the following locations allows to configure display brightness levels on an Android device? A. Settings - display and brightness. B. Settings - battery and performance - display - brightness level. C. Settings - display - brightness level. D. Settings - battery - display - brightness level. The correct answer is C. Settings - display - brightness level. Question 3. Which of the following locations provides access to brightness configuration options on an iOS device? A. Settings - display - brightness level. B. Settings - battery - display - brightness level. C. Settings - display and brightness. D. Settings - battery and performance - display - brightness level. The correct answer is C. Settings - display and brightness. Question 4. In wireless networks, a situation where multiple channels share the frequency band causing interference and performance degradation for devices operating on channels that are too close to each other is known as A. Crosstalk. B. Channel overlapping. C. Collision. D. Channel bonding. The correct answer is B. Channel overlapping. Question 5. Which of the following answers apply to Windows BitLocker? Select 3 answers. A. Works only on systems equipped with a TPM microcontroller. B. Accessed via BitLocker drive encryption applet in Windows Control Panel. C. Shipped with all versions of Windows 8/8.1/10. D. Accessed via security and maintenance applet in Windows Control Panel. E. Does not require a TPM microcontroller to work. F. Not included in basic versions of Windows 8/8.1/10, Windows 8/8.1 Core and Windows 10 Home. The correct answers are B. Accessed via BitLocker drive encryption applet in Windows Control Panel. E. Does not require a TPM microcontroller to work. F. Not included in basic versions of Windows 8/8.1/10, Windows 8/8.1 Core and Windows 10 Home. Question 6. A Windows Control Panel applet used for managing local, offline, versions of files and folders stored on the network is known as A. Ease of Access Center. B. Sync Center. C. Indexing Options. D. File Explorer Options. The correct answer is B. Sync Center. Question 7. Which of the following would be the most important considerations when installing computer applications? Select 3 answers. A. OS compatibility. B. Minimum amount of drive space. C. CPU speed. D. Graphics adapter. E. Minimum amount of RAM. The correct answers are A. OS compatibility. B. Minimum amount of drive space. E. Minimum amount of RAM. Question 8. Common methods of application installation and deployment include removable media, e.g. CD/USB, used locally in home networks, and remote installation methods over a network popular in enterprise environments. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 9. Installing an app in Windows requires administrative-level access on a local machine. In cases where installation files are stored on a remote server, users may also need appropriate permissions to be able to access the installation folder/file. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 10. The basic countermeasures against application-related security risks include avoiding applications from unknown sources and keeping the already installed apps up to date with current patches and bug fixes. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 11. Which of the statements listed below apply to Windows workgroups? Select 3 answers. A. Security policies and permissions in workgroups are administered centrally. B. Logging onto any computer on the workgroup requires a single account. C. Workgroups typically consist of no more than 20 computers. D. There is no limit on the number of hosts that can become a part of a single workgroup. E. Logging onto any computer in the workgroup requires an account on that computer. F. Each computer in the workgroup has its own security policy. The correct answers are C. Workgroups typically consist of no more than 20 computers. E. Logging onto any computer in the workgroup requires an account on that computer. F. Each computer in the workgroup has its own security policy. Question 12. Which control panel applet in Windows provides access to computer name, domain, and workgroup settings? A. Credential Manager. B. System. C. User accounts. D. Administrative tools. The correct answer is B. System. Question 13. Which of the following statements apply to Windows domains? Select 3 answers. A. Logging onto any computer on a Windows domain requires a single set of credentials. B. Security policies and permissions on a Windows domain are administered centrally. C. Windows domains are based on peer-to-peer, P2P, networking architecture. D. Each computer on a Windows domain has its own security policy. E. Windows domains are based on client-server networking architecture. F. All members of a Windows domain must be on the same local network or subnet. The correct answers are A. Logging onto any computer on a Windows domain requires a single set of credentials. B. Security policies and permissions on a Windows domain are administered centrally. E. Windows domains are based on client-server networking architecture. Question 14. Which of the following location/steps allows to view network shares in Windows? A. Windows Command Prompt-net share-enter, all network shares. B. Windows Run dialog box /computer name-enter, user shares only. C. Shared folders menu in the computer management utility, all network shares. D. Windows Command Prompt-net view /computer name-enter, user shares only. Windows Command Promptnet view / computer name / all - enter, all network shares. F all of the above. The correct answer is F all of the above. Question 15. In MS Windows, the $sign appended to the end of the name of a network share indicates that the shared folder or drive is A. Hidden, B. Inaccessible, C. Visible to any user, D. Encrypted. The correct answer is A. Hidden. Question 16. Which of the following characters indicates that a Windows network share is intended for administrative access? A. Hashtag, B. $, C, D and. The correct answer is B. $. Question 17. Which of the following locations in Windows 7 allows to create a shortcut to a shared folder or computer on a network? A. Windows Explorer - computer - map network drive. B. Shared folders menu in the computer management utility. C. Network and sharing center applet in Windows control panel. D. File Explorer - this PC - computer tab - map network drive. The correct answer is A. Windows Explorer - computer - map network drive. Question 18. Which of the following locations in Windows 8/8.1/10 allows to create a shortcut to a shared folder or computer on a network? A. Network and sharing center applet in Windows control panel. B. File Explorer - this PC - computer tab - map network drive. C. Windows Explorer - computer - map network drive. D. Shared folders menu in the computer management utility. The correct answer is B. File Explorer - this PC - computer tab - map network drive. Question 19. Which of the following locations in Windows 10 provide access to configuration options that allow to share a local printer with other PCs on a network? Select two answers. A. Control panel - devices and printers applet - add a printer. B. Windows Start button - settings - devices - printers and scanners - select a printer - manage - printer properties - sharing tab. C. Control panel - devices and printers applet - right-click on a selected printer - printer properties - sharing tab. D. Windows Start button - settings - devices - printers and scanners - add printers and scanners - add a printer or scanner - select a printer - add device. The correct answers are B. Windows Start button - settings - devices - printers and scanners - select a printer - manage - printer properties - sharing tab. C. Control panel - devices and printers applet - right-click on a selected printer - printer properties - sharing tab. Question 20. Which of the following locations in Windows 10 provide access to configuration options for connecting a network printer to a PC? Network printer mapping. Select two answers. A. Control panel - devices and printers applet - right-click on a selected printer - printer properties - sharing tab. B. Windows Start button - settings - devices - printers and scanners - add printers and scanners - add a printer or scanner - select a printer - add device. C. Control panel - devices and printers applet - add a printer. D. Windows Start button settings devices printers and scanners select a printer manage printer properties sharing tab. The correct answers are B. Windows Start button settings devices printers and scanners add printers and scanners add a printer or scanner select a printer add device. C. Control panel devices and printers applet add a printer. Question 21. Which of the following locations in Windows provide access to dial-up and VPN settings? Select 3 answers. A. Phone and modem. B. System configuration. C. Internet options, connections tab. D. Network and sharing center. E. Windows Mobility Center. F. Settings menu. The correct answers are C. Internet options, connections tab. D. Network and sharing center. F. Settings menu. Question 22. A system that uses public network, such as the Internet, as a means for creating private encrypted connections between remote locations is known as A. Personal Area Network, PAN. B. Virtual Local Area Network, VLAN. C. Integrated Services Digital Network, ISDN. D. Virtual Private Network, VPN. The correct answer is D. Virtual Private Network, VPN. Question 23. Which of the following settings are used for establishing a VPN connection in Windows? Select 3 answers. A. Network name. B. Internet address, domain name or IPv4/IPv6 address. C. Security type. D. Destination name. E. Encryption type. F. Smart card, optional. The correct answers are B. Internet address, domain name or IPv4/IPv6 address. D. Destination name. F. Smart card, optional. Question 24. Which of the following Internet access types takes advantage of PSTN lines? A. Ethernet. B. Mobile broadband. C. Dial-up. D. Optical fiber. The correct answer is C. Dial-up. Question 25. Which of the following settings are used for establishing a dial-up connection in Windows? Select 3 answers. A. Dial-up phone number. B. Encryption type. C. Username. D. Security type. E. Password. F. Destination name. The correct answers are A. Dial-up phone number. C. Username. E. Password.